Hello everybody, I'm Polo here. Thank you for joining me. Today we take a quick tabletop look at the Shadow Systems CR920. This is a little pistol that I've been trying to get my hands on for quite some time, but they're not very easy to find. I own the big brother of this, the MR920, and it's been very good to me. It's been very reliable, no problems whatsoever. I've been a little disappointed on the trigger with that one. I was expecting a little bit more. So we'll see if this one's any better or how different it is. For reference, and this has been safety checked, but empty mag. And since we're here, let's talk about the mag. You get two steel mags, and for the capacity you get on the flush fit, you get 10+1, and on the extended, you get 13+1. So very good capacity on a pistol that is in essence the size of a Glock 43 or a Glock 43X with the extended mag. Now you may hear some shooting in the background. I'm not at my home studio. I'm over at Range USA, and they were kind enough to lend me this gun for me to do the video for you guys. So I have not purchased this, and I'm not sure that I will, and I'll tell you that towards the end of the video as to why. But here, medium-sized hands with the 13+1 mag, it's a very comfortable grip. I really like the way this feels. And then with the flush fit of 10+1, this is the way it looks. And I get two-finger grip. So in essence, you're talking about, like I mentioned, the size of a Glock 43 or a 43X. And this does fit in most holsters for a 43 or a 43X. So as with a bigger brother, you get a lot of features with this pistol. Now you are paying a premium, but it's really you don't have to do anything to it. We all know that we upgrade the Glocks perfection, right? And we end up putting $300-400 worth of upgrades. Well, everything is already included in this, at least from my perspective, anything that you may want to do to it. Now locally it's selling for $750. Okay, online I've seen them anywhere from $650 to $800. So it all depends on where you are. And again, it's been safety checked. But starting from the grip, you're going to have very nice texture on the back of the grip, on the front of the grip. It's aggressive, but it's not something that is going to chew your muffin top like let's say the Shield 2.0. You got a nice mag release that has got some serrations on it, not texture, but it's got serrations. And what I do like a lot about it, as well as the MR920, is that the texture goes all the way to the top part of the grip, and it is completely flat. You don't have that dumb indentation here that we get with the Glocks. The mag release and the mag catch is reversible, it's not ambi, and you do not have the controls on the right side for the lefties, so it's really set up. Except for the reversible mag release, it is set up for righties only. But very nice. I like the grip, I like the texture. And continuing with the texture, they did give you the memory pads here, the landing pads for your support hand on your thumb, and also indexing on the right hand side. So I like that very much. You do have an accessory rail in the front for a small light laser, whatever you want to put in the front of it, or like as gun guy used to say, little ninjas, blenders, whatever you want to put up here. Continuing on top, you got a stainless steel slide with a stainless steel barrel, nice serrations, and this is the combat model. So so you don't have the lightning cuts on the slide that you get with I think it's called the Elite model. The Elite model, if that's the correct name, you get some lightning cuts up here on the slide. But the barrel is very nice, is this fluted burned bronze barrel. I like it a lot, and what they claim is that the fluting on it, this twirling, swirling, whatever you want to call it, it helps keep the barrel and the dust and grime and all that away from it. So very nice stainless steel guide rod as you see there. And you have a Mariglow sights on the front here, very nice, bright. It's always challenging when you're not filming at home. The lighting is not the best, but we're doing the best that we can. In the rear, you got serrated, blacked out sights. Let the focus catch up a little bit. I think that's the best we're gonna do here. There it is. So I really like that side picture. So it's very nice, and it is optics ready. So any Shield RMSC, Holosun, the small Trigicon, all that will fit here with no problem. So let's take a look at the trigger. It's like you see here, it's got the safety dingus here. It's not completely flush, but it's very comfortable. See that? And when you come here, you come to a very pronounced wall. And then you push more, and then it breaks. It is a heavy trigger. Shadow Systems on their website says that it's a 4.5 to 5 pound trigger. This feels heavier than that. I don't have my scale with me. There's your reset. But this is every bit of 6.5 pounds for sure. And that's the same thing that I experienced with my MR920. Look at the reset. It's pretty out there. Nice break. Now, is it a decent, serviceable duty trigger or a self-defense trigger? Absolutely. Is it as good as even some factory Glocks or some secondary market Overwatch Precision Apex triggers? Is it as good as those? No. Will it work? Absolutely. But for $750, pushing $800 with tax, I was expecting better. And it's the same thing when you see the video on my MR920. I was expecting a little bit more from a trigger, from a package like this. Let you take a look at it a little bit more. So I wanted to keep this video under 10 minutes. I will do a shooting video and a more in-depth review if I end up buying it. And I told you at the beginning of the video that I would tell you at the end of the video what were the reasons that were holding me back from buying this. And mainly has been the reviews that I've been seeing online. Some people swear by them and no problems whatsoever, but probably equal amount of people have been saying about all the problems, and I'm very aware of the 200 round break-in period that it says on the manual, because when you get this, you get it in a nice, just like the MR920, you get it in a nice range bag. And also the range bag comes inside of a cardboard box. I'm going to try to do this on film. No, it's not going to work. But you get, here it is, stapled to the box. You get all the tools, all the screws, the plate, everything you need, not the plate, but the screws, everything you need to mount the red dot, because it is a direct mount to the slide. So you don't have to use plates with this. And that's a very nice, just like the MR920. But about the same number of videos I've seen, experienced people that say, I've had a lot of problems with this, even after the 200 round break-in period, other people swear by it. So for almost $800, right now I have a 50-50 chance of getting a good one, I just might wait a little bit. I'm very curious about it. I've been looking for one, but I'm just a little apprehensive right now. That's just my opinion. I'm not telling you what to do. Like I said, I own the MR920, and except for how heavy the trigger is, I've been very happy and it's been 100% reliable. So there it is, Shadow Systems CR920. What do you think of it? Do you own it? And would you buy it? I very much look forward to your comments, and I would like to thank again Range USA for letting me film this at their location. And once again, please remember that I upload videos every Friday morning and when I can on Wednesday mornings as well. I'm very active on Instagram, and there you can see what's coming down the pipeline way before it hits YouTube. I'm really trying to reach 15,000 subscribers this year, and YouTube tells me that at least 90% of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you feel that I've earned it, I would really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button and the like button. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next time, God bless.